Good afternoon. I'm Peter Bartinik, a board-certified civil trial attorney practicing law here in Connecticut. Today's topic is what is a return date. We're talking about procedural matters and the legal meaning of certain procedural terms. One term is a return date. You may have heard that term and wondered what it means, what has to be returned or what you need to do on that date or what the defendant has to do on that date. The return date is simply a date that is assigned by the plaintiff's attorney in a civil lawsuit, and it is a date that other dates operate off of. So on the return date, nothing particularly important happens, but it is a date that other dates that are important operate off of. On a typical civil case, for example, a car crash case, there are special shorter return dates and special rules that apply to certain types of actions. But for the general rule that applies to a return date is the defendant needs to file their appearance 2 days after the return date, and then after 30 days they need to file their answer. So the return date is a date that these other dates operate off of, and it's a date that's selected by the plaintiff's attorney. The date itself isn't particularly important. The rule right now requires that it be on a Tuesday. So you're going to have a date selected by the plaintiff's attorney, and after that date, 2 days after that date, the defendant needs to file their appearance, and then 30 days after that date, the defendant needs to file their answer. In practice, people don't look at the plaintiff's attorney isn't eyeing that date. Usually, you're going to give the defendant a little bit of extra time to file their appearance before you file any sort of motion with the court. And same thing with the answer, or even the other lawyer might even call you up and say, "Oh, I need a little bit more time to get this done. I haven't forgotten you. Don't worry." So that's how it's typically happened. These dates all operate off of the return date, and typically the lawyers are cooperating with each other to get the work done on time. I hope that information is helpful. Have a good afternoon. Bye-bye.